Welcome to Langhe Property. I'm Richard Edwards. Today I want to show you something extraordinary. We have a castle dating from the 1400s. It's located in the area called Roero and it's overlooking the Alps, rolling hills and the Barolo wine area. This is a no-brainer. Just 15 minutes from Alba, one of the most important wine areas in the world. Let's take a look at a few photographs. We can see here an aerial view of the property, and we can see those trees need cutting down. It's a little neglected. We'll come back to that in a moment. But we can see from the next picture that it's just in this most beautiful location. I live just 20 minutes from the castle and know the area well, and I can tell you it's a really outstanding region. Very beautiful landscapes and very friendly people and very calm. Our next picture there, you can see a drone view of looking down onto the castle. You can see the V shape of the castle. The castle originally dates back from the 1400s, but in the 18th and 19th century, there were adjustments made to the castle. The price is just 2.5 million, but the owner is willing and open to offers. We have reports and estimates for works, and it can all be bought and done for around 3 million euros to make it an extraordinary place, to bring it back to its glory with a gym, spa, swimming pool, guest rooms. It can be something really extraordinary. It could be even done for less than that, depending on what you want. The castle can also be bought with much of its contents, including most of the artwork, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Here are some of the photographs from the galleries. We can see here the owner's father did this work, and he never sold his work, but it was always stored here in the castle and is really something quite outstanding. And we can scroll through there and see some of his work, and there's a lot more that are not included in these pictures. Even the dog can be included in the sale. If you don't want him, then I'm going to have him. He's the cutest thing. Okay, let's move on. Here we've got the interior of the castle. The property hasn't been deep cleaned for years and it needs a good sort out. It's a bit of a sad mess, but full of gems and really deserves to be brought back to life. Let's go through some more photographs. We can see here the interior, the entranceway. It has these beautiful either stone floors or wooden floors here in this case. The owner tells us this can be polished back beautifully because it's all in very, very good condition. Things like the windows and the shutters need to be restored. And there's some building work that needs to be done. The roof is in excellent condition. Just the downpipes, the drain pipes need to be replaced. We can see here the beautiful stone balustrades on the stairs. Here's the kitchen. And actually it can be made a lot larger because that wall on the right can be removed. And there's an apartment behind here that used to be the servants' quarters or for a caretaker to stay for the castle. So if you didn't want that, you could remove that wall and make the kitchen much, much bigger. Here we see again the entranceway and the stairway, the stone balustrades on the stairs. All very beautiful. And then we come to the view. The view is just extraordinary. We can see here a picture that was taken from the highest tower, and this is looking onto Montviso in the direction of France. And just to the right of this, you've got Mont Blanc as well. So the view is just breathtaking. I tell you what I do. Let me play you a short video that shows aerial footage of the castle. So what do you think? If you're interested, let me know. Please, serious inquiries only. I'll be happy to give you more details about what's there. There are more details on my website, reference 505. There's a link to that page in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to bringing you another exciting property very, very soon. Please click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.